If you want to learn modern CMake and improve your development skills, then this is the perfect course for you. CMake is the most popular project generator. This course can be the easiest way for you to master CMake and achieve your goals. You can start now without any prior CMake knowledge. And within the first 30 minutes you will be writing your first script. This course has 12 sections with which you will learn step by step how to write modern CMake code by the latest standards. Hi, my name is Christo and I will be your instructor on your CMake journey. I have around 10 years of programming experience and I use CMake for all my projects. I work for the gaming industry and I have my own startup. For the past 6 years, I have been training numerous people to excel at their job and acquire new skills. By the end of this course, you will learn how to configure and structure your project more efficiently than with any other tool. With this course, you will get lifetime access on a course based on the latest CMake version, intermediate quizzes, certificate of completion, read-through articles, and questions answered within 24 hours. As a bonus, you get ready-to-use in production templates and code snippets, which no other course offers. This course is recorded on the Windows operating system. Mind that the knowledge gained from it will still be applicable in any other operating system. The only requirement for this course is that you have some basic knowledge in the C programming language. The course so far is highly valued by our students for being comprehensive and excellent, for being suitable for beginners and advanced users who want to improve, for the extra snippets and their cool added value. Join the CMake community. Enroll now.